Welcome to Showcase AI, the all-in-one platform that turns simple ideas into stunning studio-quality videos in minutes. In this demo, you'll see just how easy it is to create professional-looking videos using Showcase AI. From avatars to ads to product showcases, everything happens inside one simple dashboard. The Showcase AI dashboard brings all your AI video creation tools into one place. In the left menu sidebar, you will find options to manage projects, access the video studio, editors, avatars, and voice tools such as text-to-speech and voice cloning. The main dashboard also gives you direct shortcuts to create product videos, AI ads, talking avatars, and fashion videos instantly. Everything is built for faster workflows and professional studio-quality results using AI. Now, let's check the first feature, Product Showcase Video. Click on Create Now and the editor will open. With Product Showcase Video, simply upload your product image, describe the scene, and Showcase AI will automatically create a professional product shoot video. First, upload your product and choose the Auto option. Enter product details such as the name, type, and purpose. For example, Instagram, YouTube, e-commerce, or brand promotion. Select a style like minimal, lifestyle, or luxury, choose a mood, and generate the image. You can also use the Custom option to write your own script, or click Get AI Idea to generate one automatically and edit it if needed. Once the image is ready, click Generate Video. Choose Auto or Custom, set the duration, add music, and click Render Video. Within seconds, your high-quality product shoot video will be ready to preview, download, or regenerate. That's how easy it is to create professional product videos with Showcase AI. Now let's check the second feature, Product Avatar Videos. This feature brings your product to life using an AI avatar. Simply upload your product, choose an avatar, and the avatar will present your product in the video. You can select a ready-made AI avatar or upload your own custom avatar. There are two modes available, Auto and Custom. In Auto mode, choose an avatar, adjust the scene if needed, upload your product image, and generate the image. In Custom mode, you can provide detailed instructions for the person, scene, and camera to create a fully customized avatar. Once the image is ready, click Generate Video. Add your script or use the AI writer. Select a voice. Generate the audio and render the video. Within seconds, your professional product avatar video will be ready to preview, download, and share. Now let's check the third feature, AI Ads. With this feature, you can create high-quality ad videos using AI-generated scripts, voiceovers, and models. Simply upload your product, describe the idea, and Showcase AI automatically creates a cinematic ad video for you. To get started, upload your product image. You'll see two options, Auto and Custom. In Auto mode, enter your product idea and click Generate Script. The AI creates the script for you. Then choose the aspect ratio, select the duration, add a title, and click Generate Video. In Custom mode, upload your product and enter details like your product name, target audience, selling points, and ad style. Click Generate Script, review it, and create the video. You can also add your own script if you already have one. Check the progress in the project section, and within seconds, your ad is ready to preview, download, and share. Now let's check the fourth feature, Talking Avatars. With this feature, you can create an AI avatar that speaks about your product, brand, or any topic you want. Simply add a script, upload audio, or record your own voice, and the avatar will deliver it for you. Start by choosing an AI avatar or uploading your own in the My Avatar section. Preview the avatar's gestures and expressions before continuing. Next, add a video title and choose how you want to add audio. You can type your script, use the AI writer to generate one automatically, upload an MP3 file, or record your own voice. Then select a voice, generate the audio, and preview how it sounds. Once everything looks good, click Render Video. Within seconds, your talking avatar video will be ready to preview, download, and share. Now let's explore the extra tools that help you create more powerful and professional videos. Create Your Avatar lets you design a personalized AI avatar for your brand, which you can reuse across videos for product demos, tutorials, and marketing without cameras or studio setups. Text-to-speech converts your written content into natural-sounding AI voiceovers, offering multiple voices and languages for consistent professional audio. The video editor allows you to edit and customize videos directly on the platform by adding logos, music, merge the videos. No external software needed. The image generator helps you create high-quality AI images for products, ads, and social media without physical photo shoots. The sales copywriter generates persuasive marketing copy, product descriptions, and ad content tailored to your audience. So that concludes this walkthrough. With Showcase AI, creating and managing professional marketing videos is simple, efficient, and fully AI-powered. Thank you for watching.